this beautiful Canadian couple who have come to live in Japan, and they have decided to renovate their house. This house is quite old. Roughly, it is a Japanese house of old times, which is roughly 50 to 60 years old. So they started the renovation of their house. This is a basic renovation from outside, like first of all the main pillar outside and doors, the covers on the doors, which are made of paper. Paper and cloth are covered with a curtain, but they are a little stronger than paper, which is for a transparent light. After doing all this, they renovate the toilet, which is definitely a little different from Canadian style. In Japanese, the way of using the toilet is a little different, and in Canada, it is a little different. So they installed a little modern toilet. Along with that, they also repaired the ceiling, because the ceiling was very old. They cleaned the whole kitchen, and it looks very beautiful. Then they thought of repairing the ceiling of the other room, where insects have made their homes. So they started replacing it with new wood. In Canada, in Japan, no matter how much, but this is what is needed. And with electronic items, it gets easier somewhere. So, completely, by covering with polythene, they cleaned the whole ceiling, repaired it, and started the work of the house. After completely insulating the ceiling, they installed POP seats, and the work of the kitchen is almost ready here. By the way, they have taken the house to a very good place, where there is completely greenery and a farming area. They started the remaining work the next day, and it took them months to do this. The name of the couple, one is Mika, the other's name is Jesse. Now, they have completed the work of the ceiling in the whole house. The work of insulation is done, and it takes a lot of money, which is definitely their hard-earned money. Then, with dinner, they did their last work, i.e. installed a chimney near the stove, and their work ends here. And this series is going to be very long, because this couple is not going to stay here. next story is of a YouTuber whose job is to build beautiful houses and renovate them. So he has taken up a project today to build a mini house which will be movable and can be moved anywhere. So first of all, he has made a complete base of a trailer. Along with the wooden base, he has fixed a thermocool at the base so that there is insulation and cold and hot air cannot go inside. After that, he has put plywood boards, which are looking very beautiful. Due to the view from the drone, the shot is looking even more beautiful. Multiple camera angles are making the shoot even more beautiful. This guy is really clever. I've seen many of his videos before. His content is very good. So this mini house starts with a completely wooden frame on which the roof and the entire structure has been prepared. It is not that it is being made in this way, it is being made with a proper plan. After that, the installation of the walls starts. The boards are put, windows and doors are cut. After all this is done, some wooden and window frames are made, and in this way, it is ready here. The work is going on very well, and after the doors and windows are installed, it looks magnificent. Then some lights and cables are installed here. After that, it is covered with wood. After that, some lights and cables are installed here, and in this, the provision of natural light is also given, and it is not just made. These guys, these awesome guys, are working on each and everything, from its waterproofing to insulation. It is not that it is being done in a stingy way. And after everything is finished, now only the work of paint remains, on which the roof is painted. Then it is painted on the ceiling, and finally this lovely blue color, which I like very much. It is done on the walls, and with this, all the paint job here is completed. And finally the work of lighting, which after installation, don't ask, it looks very beautiful. This is a stunning mini house, which you can take it anywhere.